Hello, good morning. Here is one question regarding the potential energy and work done of chapter 2 electrostatic potential and capacitor. I read the question. Determine the electrostatic potential energy of a system consisting of two charges of 7 microcoulomb and minus 2 microcoulomb with no external field placed at in bracket minus 9 centimeter comma 0 and 9 centimeter comma 0 respectively. Part A and part B. How much work is required to separate the two charges infinitely away from each other? Now see here, say charge Q1 is equal to 7 microcoulomb and charge Q2 is equal to minus 2 microcoulomb. Their position R1 for Q1 is given minus 9 centimeter. Convert it into meter comma 0 and R2 is given plus 9 centimeter comma 0. So you know the charges are placed at x axis. So here I put x axis. Here is the position R2 for 9 centimeter. This is origin O and here is position R1 for minus 9 centimeter. Charge is Q1 and here charge is Q2. So for two charge system, you know U is equal to K times Q1 Q2 upon R21. Here R21 is the distance between position R2 and R1. So R21 will be, here R21 will be 9 minus 9, that is 18 centimeter. And Q1 is given 7 microcoulomb, Q2 is minus 2 microcoulomb. Convert 18 centimeter into meter and put the value K as 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square per coulomb square. So you will solve this as U is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 multiply Q1 is 7 multiply Q2 is minus 2 multiply, convert microcoulomb in coulomb. So 10 to the power minus 6 into 10 to the power minus 6, it will be 10 to the power minus 12. Divide by R21 18 centimeter. I am putting the value minus 2 and you will get here 9 to the 18, so 1 by 2 into 10 to the power minus 12 into 10 to the power 9 minus 3 into 10 to the power 2. In denominator it is 10 to the power minus 2. So in numerator 10 to the power plus 2. Multiply 14. 7 to the 14 with minus sign. So this will be minus 7 into 10 to the power minus 1, that is equal to minus 0.7 joule. So we are getting here potential energy of the system because because charges are fixed, so minus 0.7 joule. This is the answer of first part of the question. Now for the second part, how much work is required to separate the two charges infinitely away? So you will do like this. Work done, W is equal to, apply the formula delta U, because it is not said that how much work is required to separate two charges by the electric field. So apply the formula against the electric field or by external agent, and this will be equal to U2 minus U1. Here U2 is U infinity, because initial position is the position of charges, and U1 is equal to U, and potential energy at infinity will be 0, minus, and the value of U is minus 0.7. So this will be equal to plus 0.7 joule. So here work done will be 0.7 joule. This is your answer. So work done is positive 0.7 joule, and potential energy of the system is negative minus 0.7 joule. This is the answer of this question. Thank you so much.